Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please do so. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make a comment. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBPUSD for today, which is for the 24th. So I've actually highlighted some levels we should not ignore. We can see that there was once a reaction at this level. Same thing with this level. When price came here, we had a rejection at this level. So we can see that at least price has actually come to this same level a little bit. The price reacted. So price is dropping, right? So I know one thing in your mind is that price will definitely come to this level, right, and react before it actually go bullish. That is exactly what I am also watching out for. Technically, that is what GBP USD is seeing. But the news might actually change the direction. The news can actually, push this price to actually come to test the same level before you actually have a rejection up, or the news might reject. Basically, it's just the news we need to watch out for. So this is what I'll be watching out for. If the news tends to come out well, higher, then we expect GBP to fall, while USD or DXY will actually rise. That is what I'll be watching out for. But if it does not come out well, I expect GBP USD to start going bullish. So basically, most of the movements should be played out in personally. I might be wrong though, but what I think is that most movements on GBP USD will actually play out in the New York section, especially when the news is being released. Then from there we're going to praise. If I get time, I will try and give you guys an update. That is if I can create time, because I'm a bit busy. Once I can get time, I'm going to update you. Once the news come out, I will try to tell you what we should actually trade. So that is it. To those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, make sure you actually do. I'm going to be sharing some of the trade we actually did for you. That you can see some of the trade that we actually took this week, and we actually took 8 trade, right? 6 trade have actually, 5 trade has gotten to our target. Yes, 5 trade, we have big one, not just small trade, win trade. It was a big win trade with just 2 failed trade. It remains one more trade that is still running, but basically we are in profit in that one. So once that one can get to our target this Friday, that is to tell you that we have 6 win trade, not just small win trade, a big win trade with just 2 small failed trade. So this one already trade we took here. You can see it here. GBP New Zealand dollar. We sold on gold. I actually told them to actually sell on gold, right? Because we were aiming for gold to hit 1850 before a share, but I told them to actually sell. So we see the gold, right? We sold on gold. We see nat gas. This was the failed trade we had, which was a little bit of a failed trade. So we won on silver. This is a little bit of failed trade we have, which is S&P 500. Then we actually won on Nasdaq 100, which was a big one. We also won on USD, Swiss Chinese yuan. You can see the data actually shared this trade 6 days ago, right? So this is a confirmation that I actually saw this trade. You can see it 6 days ago. I actually shared this trade. So the trade that is playing out right now is WTI. So when you go, I'm going to share the link also. You will see it there, February 20 to 24. So you can watch it. These are 7 trade here. So you can easily watch out the 5 big trade you had with just 2 failed trades. So once today this our WTI hits the target, I'm going to share it to this link to this playlist, making it 6 win trade with 2 failed trades. So that is why I said, if in case you're actually having a problem, growing your account, what I just intend to do is actually share with you trade for the day and also trade for the week, right? Basically, they're just winning trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. Trust me, it is a winning trade that I'll be sharing with you. You can just give it a month's trial. If at the end of the month, if after 1 month you don't get the value that I promise, or you don't see any changes in your account, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.